can't think it might be smoking, man. Mr. 1-5. Top of the afternoon once again. 9-5. Headed to the top side. We got mayo.
I go post them after, so you can hear me about it, stock mic.
I think, no, this is not the one. I thought this was the one that I used in one of my video gates. But I don't think I have this, I think I have this microphone in the video gate. I gotta go check some of my video gates again.
410 there. Yeah. If you're going to hear them, sound like one that kind power mic there.
That's Brother Blazer right there. That's Brother Blazer. He gave me this mic, man. He want me to talk. Just like he gave me this radio, because you want me to talk. No doubt about it, man. That's what we love to do out here. Turn on that radio and kill that mic and see what's going on. No doubt about it. It's a 1-5. I'm 2 miles up. Fake.
2 mile marker, 2 mile marker, 2 mile marker. 410 there, sounding good. Hey, you got that swing thing out there, Ganja man. No doubt about it. All of that.
Yeah, check 410, man. Alright, then, brother. I'm gonna pull over for a squishy bit. Ooh, what a view. Up there right next to the first call box. You know, you get right by the call box and just kind of levels out on that first hill. Yeah.
Hi.
We be kicking back. It's 1-5. I'll be listening.
410 there. I will put this thing on the YouTube, so you can check them out after. Take care. 195. 2 miles up. 1-5 in the clear. All of that.
I got 2 more to go. No, I ain't gonna go up that far. We get the video gate, and then, geez, man, I should have done it on my end. I should have made a visual on my end. I should have took the video going up, and then we could have put it together. Look at my friend on that end, on the west side, the best side. Come wild. That's wild. Alright.
Could have done some edit there. Could have done some editing. Take care, my friend. 195, Mr. Ganja man. 1-5 in the clear. Aloha.